Introduction. High winds, particularly in regions prone to seasonal gusts, pose a significant threat to commercial roofing systems. Wind damage can lead to leaks, material displacement, and structural compromises, resulting in costly repairs and potential business disruptions. Implementing a proactive approach to roof maintenance and reinforcement is crucial to minimizing damage and extending the lifespan of the roofing system. Understanding wind damage and its impact on commercial roofs. Wind uplift and flying debris are the primary causes of commercial roof damage during extreme weather events. The risk increases for flat or low-slope roofs, as strong winds can create pressure differentials that lift materials from the surface. Additionally, airborne debris can puncture membranes, dislodge flashing, and compromise drainage systems. Factors influencing wind damage. Building height and location. Taller buildings and those in open areas are more susceptible to wind uplift. Roofing material and installation quality. Poorly installed or aging roofing systems are more vulnerable to damage. Structural weak points. Areas such as seams, edges, and rooftop equipment mounts are common failure points during high winds. Essential preventative measures for wind-resistant roofing. 1. Conduct routine roof inspections. Regular inspections help identify potential vulnerabilities before wind-related damage occurs. A professional evaluation should include checking for loose roofing materials or exposed seams, inspecting flashing around vents, chimneys, and HVAC units, examining drainage systems for blockages that could lead to water accumulation. Scheduling semi-annual inspections and additional checks following storms ensures early detection of issues. 2. Remove debris and maintain clean roof surfaces. Debris accumulation on flat commercial roofs can exacerbate wind damage by creating obstructions in drainage systems and adding unnecessary weight. Best practices include regularly clearing leaves, twigs, and other debris, ensuring gutters, scuppers, and drains are free from blockages, conducting post-storm cleanups to prevent long-term deterioration. 3. Secure roof flashing and edge materials. Flashing and edge materials are particularly vulnerable to wind uplift. Securing these elements prevents wind from penetrating beneath the roofing surface. Effective strategies include using high-quality reinforced flashing materials, applying strong adhesives and fasteners to secure edges, conducting periodic inspections to check for lifting or deterioration. 4. Trim nearby trees and minimize exterior hazards. Overhanging branches can become dangerous projectiles during high winds, causing significant damage to the roof. Preventative actions include trimming branches at a safe distance from the roof, removing weak or diseased trees near the building, installing windbreak barriers if feasible. 5. Reinforce vulnerable areas with protective coatings. Roof coatings add an extra layer of protection against wind and water damage. Common options include silicone coatings, highly durable and resistant to UV exposure. Acrylic coatings, cost-effective and suitable for mild weather conditions. Polyurethane coatings, ideal for high-traffic areas and impact resistance. Applying a protective coating enhances the roof's resilience and prolongs its lifespan. 6. Improve roof ventilation to reduce pressure buildup. Proper ventilation minimizes internal pressure fluctuations that contribute to wind uplift. Strategies to enhance ventilation include installing ridge vents or turbine vents, ensuring existing vents are free from obstructions, incorporating passive ventilation techniques to balance airflow. Post-storm assessment and immediate action. Even with preventative measures in place, wind events can cause unexpected damage. After experiencing high winds, business owners should 1. Inspect for visible damage. Check for displaced materials, punctures, or debris impact. 2. Clean the roof surface. Remove accumulated debris to prevent further deterioration. 3. Call a roofing professional. Schedule a comprehensive post-storm inspection to detect hidden damage. Timely action prevents minor issues from escalating into costly repairs. Choosing a reliable commercial roofing contractor. For business owners in Long Beach, CA, Commercial Roofing. Long Beach provides expert solutions for wind-resistant roofing. As a family-owned company with over 10 years of experience, they specialize in commercial and residential roofing. Their BBB A+ accreditation and Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractor status highlight their commitment to quality, offering financing options and top-tier customer service. They ensure long-lasting roofing solutions tailored to client needs. Conclusion: protecting a commercial roof from wind damage requires a proactive approach that includes regular inspections, debris removal, reinforcement of vulnerable areas, and strategic roofing enhancements. Investing in preventative measures today ensures long-term durability and cost savings, while safeguarding business operations. Frequently asked questions. FAQs. 1. How often should a commercial roof be inspected for wind damage? Inspections should be conducted at least twice a year and after major wind events. 2. What are the best roofing materials for wind resistance? Metal roofing, TPO membranes, and reinforced built-up roofing systems offer high wind resistance. 3. How can I tell if my roof has wind damage? Signs include missing or displaced materials, water leaks, flashing damage, and punctures from debris. 4. What should I do if my roof is damaged by high winds? Contact a professional roofing contractor immediately to assess and repair any damage. 5. Can roof coatings help prevent wind damage? Yes, protective coatings add durability and enhance resistance to environmental stressors. Learn when to call for commercial roofing solutions and key situations business owners should know. The post-effective strategies to protect your commercial roof from high winds. First appeared on Commercial Roofing Long Beach.